I'm probably an unusual entrepreneur because I came through government and ended up in entrepreneurship. My first career was as a federal prosecutor. I did a organized crime prosecution. I actually lived in Bogota, Colombia, had an armored car, had people threaten me, had all that kind of exciting stuff. But I had two great passions in life. One was public service and trying to make the world safe and orderly in a way, and people following the rules. And the other was sort of the opposite of that, a very disruptive passion to change the world through entrepreneurship and to be able to create new things. Hi, my name is Morris Panner, and I'm the CEO of Dicom Grid. Dicom Grid is a cloud-based way to share and exchange and view medical images, one of the critical big data challenges of our day. And so for the last 15 years, I've been doing cloud-based software. I was one of the early pioneers in SaaS, ended up selling my first company to NetSuite, which is one of the big public SaaS companies, spent some time there, and then got into healthcare. And interestingly, I think healthcare is really an area where you need a lot of both disruption and some order and playing by the rules. You want to be able to bring disruption so people can be cared for, but you need to do that in a framework where you're respecting privacy, where you're worrying about how people are going to be treated, you worry about how people are going to have access to information so that they have it but others don't. And so it's been a very exciting time to bring the cloud to healthcare. Today's healthcare environment is probably more dynamic than it has been for some time. Obamacare and everything else that's happened around that meaningful use has really changed the dynamics for hospitals. And when I say changed, I really should say unsettled, because nobody knows exactly how they are going to land in this new environment. So one of the things I think we have been successful at is being a partner in innovation. We've gone to these institutions not from a position of, hey, you have this wreck, we're going to do this, but more, you know you're going to be in an innovative environment, we can help you get there, and almost partnering from that perspective rather than partnering as just filling a narrow requirement of something they have to have on hand. For today's entrepreneur, the best advice I can give is be aggressive in trying to reach into the leadership of these institutions, because these people have a mandate. They know they need to bring new ideas. And what's been most surprising to me has been the further up, in a way, you are in the organization, the more open they are to change, the more change is part of their agenda. And they will hear you out. And then you need to navigate from there.